So my name is Masa Teraguchi in La Jolla and Terra hair design. And I have an academy. I teach in haircut and I teach in color. My clients is a lot of Caucasian, and but it's a lot of different Caucasian. Just base color is a little bit darker, and so someone is coming as lighter, and then there's someone has a gray hair and light base color. Promaster and a Hoyu color. It's me. It's I love it. Over 10 years, I'm using to the Hoyu. So a lot of people more focus is more dark hair, but I'm using some more blonde hair today. Caucasian and a base color. I think it is a 7 label, 8 label, and for kind of like a blonde hair. If you want more blonde hair, I'm not using to bleach. I worked in this a long time, so United States 10 years ago, and so I got it. So I find it's a Hoyu. So I try to Caucasian, not much fading, not much damage, and it's okay. I want to try to Japanese color, and so a lot of people say, "Oh, it's not painful, not hurt." They trust me, and so oh, Japanese color, it's a Japanese technique. It's very good, Bleach and no bleach. It's how different, Bleach is a more high damage, and it's a no bleach. It's a looks like a color damage, totally different. I wanted to use this LTSH, easy make it lighter. It's very interesting. So color.
All right, so let's get started. I think the model's here.
Okay, let's go. Let's start it. Hello, good morning. How are you? Good to see you again. Thank you, thank you. Okay, so this way, please. Okay, you are so still nice hair.
Thank you.
Yeah, I like it.
Trying.
I like it.
I love the blonde. I want to go blonder.
Okay.
I want to be lighter, but
Okay.
no bleach.
No bleach, yes.
This picture I want to show you.
Okay.
What do you think about this color?
This is a Hoyu natural. Looks like a ashy, but just I don't like it too ashy. Just I like it more bright. That's why I'm going to try like this color and this color. It's like a between. Okay, so I'm going to first a little bit consultation.
Okay.
Okay. When was the last time the hair color? Or
Over a year.
Over a year.
That's
Okay.
been a long time.
Okay. You did it only highlight or
Yes.
it's only highlight?
Yeah.
Okay. So using the bleach, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay. No problem. Have you been it before other chemical? Okay. Okay.
I did it like 2 months ago.
2 months ago? Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe I think okay.
Okay.
2 months is already so fading, so like a cover and it's a coating. I think it's a Hoyu color. It's good.
Yeah.
That's why I try.
Okay.
Yeah. Here to here, and so I'm gonna make it lighter between. So you have a highlight and so dark spot a little
Yeah.
bit. I wanted to make it more lighter.
Perfect. Yes, that's
Yes.
what I want.
Yeah. Okay. 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 There you go. She wants to more make it lighter and so not bleach. So LTSH is no pigment in it. Just only so lightener, but just not bleach. She like a more yellow kind of some more clear blonde. That's why so we try to mixing so this color so this one. I think usually so 6% so it's okay. So she wants a more lighter. So she showed me so picture looks like a more bleach. That's why so I want to use it so 9%. 9% is looks like a 30 volume, and so 60% is a 20 volume. Okay, I've tried to N1012 as a LTSH. So I'm gonna do cancel that's a little bit yellow as orange. This one as a R and so roots. And so roots is the temperature is a little higher. So I go to make it a little half volume is a little bit more go down. That's why so 6 and so 9 is a half and half. I mean it's a middle. So M it's very healthy and it's a needed so lifting. That's why so only 9%. Ends I can use in so roots and it's same one. Middle shaft. Number 2, this one. Number 3. So she is a little damage here. That's why so less time. I go to number 1, number 2, number 3. Why we have so 2 ball? This one roots. This one middle shaft at the ends. LTSH. 6%. 9%. different label and different color. I'm gonna use it as a more needed so perfect mixing a lot. Then brush also, it's a little bit so different, same color, so sometimes so it's a mix it up, it's not good. Roots and middle shaft. The middle shaft is more very healthy, and so end is really dry. Not too much split end, but just a little bit damage here. I go to first so middle shaft to the here, number 1. I go into number 2. That one is a no smell, no smell, and so no irritation, not too much, burn,
Exactly.
Okay, I finished, and so after 10 minutes, I go check it. And so this one is a very nice lifting. So right now, it's it's beautiful. But here, just a highlight spot, it's so dark, still a little bit darker, and I will check it, and then after 10 minutes it's still needed, I'm going to apply to the middle shaft one. But right now, see, no damage. It's very good, very, very good. Okay, so this one is the next one is after shampoo. I'm gonna use the buffer in a treatment. Always so before blow dry, and it's after special after color, and so needs a protection, just moisturizing, and it's rich, and so roots. Other one is I'm gonna do stylish too. I'm gonna so 2 product I'm gonna use. Beautiful, huh?
I'm obsessed. It looks so good.
Yes, so
Perfect.
good, so good. So how was it, Dasha?
I love it. I had no idea my hair could be this blonde without bleach.
Yes, yes,
You're a
yes.
genius.
Yeah, thank you so much. Looks like a one color, single color, nice.
Beautiful.
Yes. So thank you so much
Thank
today.
you,
Thank you,
Masa.
thank you.
So thank you so much, Masa.
Okay, thank you so much.
It looks like the client was really happy.
Yes.
How do you feel about how it went with today's formulations and the results?
I'm very satisfied. It's over 120%. For your color, first one is less damage. It's a Japanese, it's Asian color, right? That's why the color is a color chart. Everything is starting to 4 label. Consultation. What kind of color she have it? Maybe base color is 5 label, 6 label, or upset is some Asian people 2 label. Each customer is a little different. So Caucasian color is a 7 label, starting to 7 label. That's why it's more easy go up. Yeah, that's why calculate is not difficult for you. Not Asian people. So for you is we can use this more Caucasian. Is so everybody's so happy. My clients, everybody happy. We compare other company, some gray hair, gray hair person, there's a more blonde hair, easy cover gray hair, the easy come in the blonde hair. No complaint. A scalp is no damage too. Yeah.
Thank you so much for sharing your
Okay.
expertise with us. You could show us some more in the future.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.